Hey Thew. So who is? Oh, the camera is just that. But here we go. Hi Thew. This is for you. And बहुत stress हो गया है क्योंकि 3 घंटे पहले नहीं पहुँचे. And you will know how your dadu is like. But yes, reporting live from Joyville. This is your other house. And we go. This is how the highway here looks. तुम्हारे इस हाउस से एयरपोर्ट तक काफी अच्छी ड्राइव है. And it takes us about 30 minutes to get there. You may question the colors they have used at the underpass, but not bad. And we are outside Terminal 3, Delhi Airport, where you will land. Again, no one asks for printout, पर हम तो लेकर जाते हैं. So as we walk in, this is Delhi Airport, which is, you will see. But the boarding pass, and this is how Indian Air. Oh, that said, your boo is really clumsy, but she got the boarding pass, and this is how Indian passport looks like. So, and with airport comes her photo shoot. So here we are, ready to board the flight. Let's go. We ended up flying AirAsia. This was our first big booking together with 3-2-2 seating situation. Ta-da! Not very different, yet very different, I guess. And that's you, not even 1 month old, and look at you. You are adorable, girl. Oh, the quick farewell you gave me just before we take off. I slept just fine in the flight and woke up to the sunrise. I had just woken up, got the SIM, and was just trying to make sense of everything around. And here we are for immigration. And there I realized it's not easy to vlog. पापा ने ये साइड चूज करी और मम्मी ने बोल दिया दूसरी साइड तो कम. But anyway, we got it done. We got out. It's now Malaysia Airport, and it was surprisingly smooth. The weather was beautiful. The taxi was already booked. We hopped on, and the drive started. और शायद सबसे अच्छा ये महसूस करना होता है. The air feels nicer. It's noticeably clean too. This is how it looked closer to our stay, which was in Bukit Bintang, often called as Malaysia's Times Square, and I got weirdly excited seeing a 7-Eleven just right next to our stay. And that is how we looked after just getting few hours of sleep on the flight. We paid a little extra for an early check-in, freshen up, and headed straight out to explore. Day 1 of listening how India is still the best. Let's go ahead. Okay guys, where are we? World's tallest building. No, second tallest building. That was Merdeka 118, the world's second tallest building after Burj Khalifa, standing at almost 679 meters. It really has 118 floors. So yes, they kept the naming pretty simple. I mean, yeah. That's me really trying. All I wanted to say was the right thing to do was to start the walk with ganne ka juice, and it's always fun trying different things on the way. काफी एज अंकल थे जिनके कार्ड से हमने लिया, and you will notice a lot of elderly working in Malaysia. Not gonna lie, हमारे वाला ज्यादा स्वाद होता है. ये बस मम्मी ने नहीं बोला. This is also me. इनको लग रहा है अभी भी या में से बोल के नहीं होता है. Soon I will be that girl. And there she spotted. We even stopped on the way for durian. Oh my god. People are absolutely crazy about this fruit. They love it so much. It's called king of the fruits there, and Malaysians wait all year for its season, which is now, which is like summer. But I could not stand its smell, like not even for a second. Food wise तो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है अभी तक, but let's see. This was one of the gate to Chinatown, and it instantly reminded me of the Chinatown in Hong Kong. That was actually the first time I had experienced a market like this, and this felt almost the same. Tiny shops, street food, souvenirs, and everything packed into these narrow little streets. Oh, so cute, girl. Wow. Well, there I was unemployed. I had officially resigned, so I did not really shop a lot. The streets were not just clean, they were pretty, they were colorful. I loved it. Yes, reporting live from
Kuala Lumpur.
yes. So I asked him if we have veg option क्योंकि मम्मी को Thursday को तो veg खाना है. Let's go. The most veg option I could order. बहुत मजे तो नहीं आए मुझे. But then I saw this tiny shop selling waffles. I love their display. They had these almost real looking 3D waffle models. Of course, I was excited. I have the biggest sweet tooth. And youth here, we are going to try so many sweet treats in Canada. Oh, but you don't even have teeth yet. Oh. Walking around, spotting the KL Tower until I get to see you, lovely lady, with the CN Tower instead. If you are my future husband watching, husband मैंने बहुत अजीब तरीके से बोला. If you are my future partner watching, तो हमें ऐसे तो नहीं, हमें क्यों बोला? This is two of us and Papa. मतलब for no reason. I think toughest thing to do with parents abroad is crossing the road because they don't believe in crossing. पापा ने क्रॉस कर लिया और पापा वहाँ खड़े हैं. ओके ब्रो, यू थिंक इट्स कूल? 3 स्टार होटल मलेशिया के तो अच्छे नहीं होते हैं. पानी भी नहीं दिया. बट मूविंग ऑन. मतलब बहुत ही जोर से बारिश होने लग गई थी और मम्मी तो तैयारियों के साथ आई थी. सो वी हैड द रेन कवर्स. Let's go! Wow!
Whatever you like, you can buy some for your loved one in your country. Yeah?
ये अंकल तो काफी बढ़िया थे. Loved how and what he was telling us while he was just taking us around. It was all booked through Holiday Matrix, so it just like no transactions. It was just okay, get in.
Concept of making chocolate is British concept from 17th century. That's why
Malaysia is pretty well known for its locally made chocolates with flavor like durian, which I will probably never try, and matcha, which I did try. I mean, okay. So मैं chocolate खाते खाते बहुत cool बन रही थी. That I will shoot it all just when they asked me to turn off the camera. I was sure it'd be tiramisu, but I genuinely took forever deciding which chocolate to buy, like which of that to buy. They had different cocoa percentage, so each one had a different level of sweetness. This was us crossing the Chinese temple, which was very pretty, but it was really raining. कुछ ऐसा नजर आ रहा था हमें ट्विन टावर, पर काफी बारिश थी, so we did not step out. Instead, we headed to the KL Tower observation deck, where you get to see the city from above 276 meters above ground. On a clear day, you can see almost the entire KL city, the skyline from up there. I'm gonna be going up there. Wow. Me too.
इसका timing क्या पता?
Time. Yes. They put you in the lift and it takes about 50-55 seconds.
Moving in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
Makes two of us failing at voiceovers. Anyway, but oh my god, just look at it. I mean, you could see everything up close from here. और banks बहुत है मलेशिया में. Any fancy looking building you did spot, it'd probably be a bank. But I'm guessing because KL is a major financial hub, and I don't enjoy thinking about banks in India, but I think I would have loved it here. वैसे बारिश नहीं हो रही होती है तो आप बाहर से भी देख सकते हो. From the sky deck, the open air viewing platform nearly 300 meters above the ground, which is one of the highest outdoor observation decks in the whole Southeast Asia. Too pretty, काफी सुंदर, I know. I know. That's me taking my own sweet time looking at all things pretty. Most of them were handmade, and until I start my own little brand, I guess I'll keep stopping at little shops and dreaming a little and getting inspired a little. I like this place, and I guess they too. And soon I will be traveling with a old school camera, not just digital. But until then, it's my phone and beautiful sky with such clean views. I mean, wow. आसान ही रहा मुझे रिकॉर्ड करना, but quite tall. And that's Sogo, one of KL's oldest and most iconic shopping malls, still going strong after all these years. And right there, I had this tiny thought of just moving here. I mean, if the place is gonna be so pretty, then mood ही नहीं खराब होगा. मेरे अंकल तो बढ़िया हैं जो हमारे कैब ड्राइवर हैं. I mean, if the place is gonna be so pretty, how will you ever stop feeling inspired? Like, you will, but it's just too pretty. Love the golden hour and grateful. And there you see Independence Square, where they got independence in August 1957. Sorry about my camera, but oh my god, it's still so pretty. I mean, my camera is not doing it, but there's the moon and the beautiful buildings and everything around is just too pretty. Just too pretty. So the word for the evening was pretty. कुछ 100 बार तो बोल ही दिया होगा मैंने. But it also got me thinking, why had I never really considered leaving India before? I mean, and this was the view at night. There was crowd, there was traffic, but somehow it still did not feel loud. Definitely not Delhi loud. We could even see the moon right above it, and it was beautiful. बट ऑनेस्टली अगर मैं इतना ही बड़ा पहाड़ देख रही होती तो मुझे वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता. बट आई गेट द हाइप एंड ओके इट वुड मेक अ प्रीटी गुड किसिंग स्पॉट टू, जस्ट व्हाट आई थॉट, फॉर द वाइब्स एंड बैकग्राउंड अलोन. And just when we thought we will just be the two queens out there, no. No, 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 no. We decided to step in, and this place is huge. It looked like any other shopping mall, to be honest. It has 6 retail floors packed with stores, and pretty much every brand you can think of is there. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग डिस्प्ले था जहाँ से आप अपने चश्मे बनवा सकते हैं. बस मेरा हो गया था. मतलब मॉल्स में तो मुझे वैसे भी बहुत मजे नहीं आते हैं. But I think I was just tired, or no, yes, but I was just hungry. I was very hungry. And they had no Indian restaurant. और dinner तो Indian चाहिए होता है. But I got my grab. Best part, भैया का CC added है इसमें. बहुत ही खुश तो हो रही थी मैं, पर थकने के बाद शायद बस खाना खाना चाहिए. मतलब इससे तो क्या ही होगा ना. But okay, right now here we are, Dawat, because this girl prefers Indian during dinner. Let's go. After the free ride, क्योंकि भैया के पैसे कटे होंगे, we hopped on. थोड़ा सा food को हो गया. It was good food. मुझे hype नहीं समझ आई इस fruit की, but in next life I wanna be as hyped as this fucking fruit. I'm sorry, just this fruit. Ending the night with getting my girl little sweet. हाँ जी, फिर अभी होटल चलना है या घूमने? मुझे तो नहीं आया. 3 रुपया का लिए 66 रुपया होगा. आई एम योर टीम मम्मी, बिकॉज जहाँ गए हो वैसे ही सोच लो.
थोड़ा दिल को सुकून रहता है.
वो नहीं बोल
I
रहे.
cannot explain exactly why, but I added this clip because I want to remember this. Uh, the, that was the best part of the whole day, honestly.